About 3 miles south of Boca Raton and 20 miles north of Fort Lauderdale is the Florida city of Deerfield Beach, which is a part of Broward County. The town of Deerfield, which was incorporated in 1925, got its name from the profusion of deer that originally grazed alongside the Hillsborough River. The town's name was changed to Deerfield Beach in 1949. Even though the town was mostly an agricultural settlement until the late 1940s, tourists attracted to the town's picturesque seafront quickly started to find it. A multitude of new hotels and motels were built along the coastline as a result of the booming tourism business, and the community was renamed Deerfield Beach in 1951. Today, the city's economy is more diversified and includes manufacturing and office services among its industries, although it is still being greatly influenced by tourism. More than 200 distinct tree and palm species from all over the world can be found at the Deerfield Beach Arboretum, popularly referred to as the Tree Zoo. The Arboretum is open again after being shut down for 5 months due to severe damage caused by Hurricane Wilma in 2005. It now features a variety of palms, tropical fruit trees, exotic flowering and canopy trees, bamboos and other exotic trees. Quiet Water Park, a 430-acre site with a freshwater bathing beach, a lake for cable water skiing, and Splash Adventure, a cutting-edge water playground for youngsters, is another Deerfield Beach attraction. The park also offers camping, fishing, and picnicking. Another popular destination in the city is Deerfield Island Park, an urban wilderness area that is situated on an island that is bounded by the Hillsborough Canal, the Intracoastal Waterway, and the Royal Palm Waterway. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. The Deerfield Beach Mango Festival is one of the city's early festivities. This 3-day event, which takes place in June, is one of the biggest ethnic festivals in South Florida. The festival, which is inaugurated by a grand hall and banquet, welcomes more than 120,000 guests who come to take part in the joyful procession, arts and crafts, foreign cuisine, and 2 stages of non-stop live entertainment. Court jesters, jousting nights, games of chance, and grand 5-course feasts are among the sights and sounds of the Florida Renaissance Festival, which is hosted over 5 weekends in February and March. Sport lovers can drive a short distance to Sunrise to watch the Florida Panthers play in the National Hockey League. Other Major League sport franchises in the Miami area, such as the National Football League's Miami Dolphins, the National Basketball Association's Miami Heat, and Major League Baseball's Florida Marlins, are located less than an hour to the south. Choose from a variety of seaside restaurants when it's time to eat. For fresh seafood including mahi-mahi, swordfish, or scallops in a modern atmosphere with optional patio seating, go to Ocean's 234. Jensen Restaurant is a sophisticated option for excellent dining to mark important occasions or a romantic evening. At JB's on the beach, you can indulge in entrees like lobster benedict or a smoked salmon BLT. Weekend brunch is served beach style there. Cajuna's Bar and Grill is the place to go if you want to eat burgers, wings, and fajitas, as well as have the option of dancing till the early hours of the morning to live music.